Hello, in this video we'll be comparing USB-C on iPhone 15 with Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this, we'll need to find our website, HardReset.Info. I'm already here and I have the basic information opened. Now both of the devices does have the USB-C. And now we can scroll down to actually check the parameters and the USB, which should be somewhere around here. There's a 3.1 in Samsung, and on iPhone there's 2.0, which is worse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.